Do you want to know how to create an event on LinkedIn? I am AmondaRose Igoe, six-figure speaking success strategist, award-winning speaking expert, and best-selling author. You are in the right place because I'm going to show you how to create an event on LinkedIn, how to post your event on LinkedIn, and even how to promote your event on LinkedIn. So let's get started. I'm going to go over to my LinkedIn page and I'll walk you through step by step. Here we are on the home page of LinkedIn. So I'm on that little house over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down on the left-hand side of your page. You can see some of the events that I created. You can see groups that I'm part of. And also here's the event tab over here on the left. So here's my recent six-figure empowered speaker event for women. We're going to use that as the model. So if I wanted to create an event for LinkedIn, all I do is hit that plus button. And I can add in a banner over here. I can add in a picture of the event, anything that I would like that represents the picture. I'm going to add an event name as well. And that's going to be connected to me, the organizer, the location, the venue details, date, time, description, how do they register, all that great stuff. And if you want to make it a public or private event, so you can go ahead and create that. It's really easy to do. And I'm so happy LinkedIn brought LinkedIn events back. So this is my event. So this is exactly the steps that I took. So here I took my banner and I kind of just put it in there and it kind of fit. So I left it like that, but you might have to customize your banner. I took an image that we have from the event website. So I used that for the little picture over here. So it says six-figure empowered speaker event for women. It's organized by me, the dates, the time, the location. And then what you would like to do eventually, once you have that all set up, you want to share it. So you can go ahead and click on the share button and that will share your LinkedIn event on LinkedIn, which is cool. So if I go click share, so I can share it in a post, I can share it in a message, I can copy the link, I can even post it on Twitter and Facebook. So here you can see all the number of people that I've invited. And then I'm just going to show you how I did that. So I go to invite connection. So my event is in Florida, but I have people coming from all over, but I might pick West Palm Beach, I might pick Miami. And then I can also add in some other things like industries. So maybe professional training and coaching, marketing and advertising. And then what will happen is when I click apply, you'll be able to see on the left-hand side all these people. Now I blurred them out for people's confidentiality, but then I can click on them and what happens is they get invited to my event. So once they get invited to my event, it shows up in the connections request. So you know where you go to people that invite you to be friends with, to connect with them on LinkedIn, it shows up there. So they can ignore it or accept it. If they accept it, then what happens is when you go back to your event, you can see who accepted it. Now it doesn't mean they're gonna come. You do have to follow up with a message, check and see if they are, or if they're interested in more information, send them a link. You can determine how you want to do that. But this is a great way to promote your event on LinkedIn. So you can create an event on LinkedIn. You can then post it by sharing it just by using the share button once you've created it. And then also it helps you to understand how to create an event page on LinkedIn. So you've really done all those things. So you've learned how to create an event on LinkedIn, how to post an event on LinkedIn, and how to create an event page on LinkedIn. Now imagine if you're a speaker, what you could do with that. If you're speaking somewhere and it's an event that's open to the public, you could create your own LinkedIn event and invite people. How cool is that? You don't have to have, as long as you have permission of the organizer obviously, but if it's open to the public, you want as many people there as possible. So make sure you use LinkedIn events to not only promote your own events, your trainings, online trainings, live, in person, as well as any speaking opportunities that you've booked that are open to the public. So it's easy as going to the homepage, setting up your event, sharing it, inviting people. Really you're unlimited at what you can do with LinkedIn events. If you'd like to schedule a six-figure speaker strategy session with me, go to AmondaRose.com, AmondaRose.com, AmondaRose.com /strategy. And you can apply for six-figure speaker strategy session.